morning, everybody. I hope you're having a fantastic Monday today, or else it should be Monday when I upload this. I'm testing out a new microphone, as you can probably see. Homeland Horsepower team is going to be going to the Mayerfield Car Show, just at a tiny little park. I'm not really sure who else is going to be going, but Dylan's actually on his way out right now, so once he pulls up, then we'll be heading out to the car wash, go wash our cars. We've got the BMW sitting on the outside for some reason. We forgot to put it away last night. Got my car sitting inside. You know, even though I'm taking the Camaro to the wash, the Beamer could certainly use it right now. It's got bugs everywhere on it. I have a long dirt driveway, so every time I clean my car and I come back down, I gotta re-wipe it because it just gets caked in dust and dirt. Gotta love it, especially when it rains, it just fills up with a mud puddle. We got Mr. Slowpoke Dylan right behind us. As I said in our intro video, pitter patter and let's get at her. Okay guys, just for the sake of time, I didn't film Dylan and I cleaning our cars, but we just got them cleaned, got some gas, and now we are on our way to the Mayerfield Car Show. Also, on, not really a side note, but just something I wanted to share with you guys. So we filmed our Homeland Hooligan series, you know, episode 1, episode 2 of me and Dylan. We are changing the name. It's no longer going to be called Homeland Hooligans. It's going to be Homeland Bandits. Homeland Bandits is something that Eric, which you guys haven't been really introduced to yet, but that's just something that Eric has been a part of for quite some time. It's just basically something to where it's like a branch basically of Homeland Horsepower where we feature other people's cars outside of our own. And we have some really, really awesome cars lined up. Trust me, you won't be seeing just my Camaro and just Dylan's Mustang. We got some really awesome stuff lined up to shoot. But I just wanted to let you guys know that it's now going to be Homeland Bandits. So when you see the name change, that's why.
All right, what's up guys? We got here to the car show in the middle of all these older cars. There's just a 2021 Scat Pack. Haven't seen many in this color from Dodge.
Okay guys, so I should say, just got back from the Mayerfield Car Show. It was a nice show. There wasn't too many crazy cars there. It was a very small show as well. You know, lots of old cars, but old cars doesn't mean bad cars. They were definitely awesome. But now, you guys probably don't know where I'm at, but I'm going to show you something very cool here in a second. So this car that I'm going to show you guys is something that's been on my Instagram before. I've taken pictures of it, I've driven it a few different times, but I've never actually made a video on it. So are you guys ready for this? Boom. Look at that color. A nice, I think it's a Laguna Blue, I'm not 100% sure. But this is one gorgeous Corvette. Nice looking interior in here. This is a 2014 3LT, I believe. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up for you guys. So something kind of cool about the Corvette is this screen goes down like that, and then there's a secret compartment back there. Very cool. This car is automatic. I believe it's a 8-speed. And now we are going to take the top off. So the windows roll down, top comes up. Here, look at this. It's like a transformer, or at least it's what it feels like. Very cool stuff. And just like that, we're ready to go. Guys, I'm telling you, there is nothing better than driving a car like this on a nice sunny day, especially because it can do this. Oh my God. And just like that, guys, we are back in the garage with the Corvette. We're gonna put the top back up now. It's really weird sitting in a car that does this. And it's done. Thank you guys for tuning in with me today and with the rest of the Homeland team.